student, look at here, page number 18. Okay, and topic ordering of numbers. Okay, so when two or more numbers are given, the comparison can be done by using the same rules. Okay, so what type of rules? So look at here, the first one, when we arrange the numbers upwards, that is from the smallest to the greatest, it is called ascending order. Okay, smallest to greatest. Okay, we are called ascending order. Like smallest, it means 3, 5 and 9. Okay, all of you understood? Yes? Okay, so my dear student, this one is smallest 3, 5 and 9. Okay, now we are coming to here, when we arrange the number download, that is from the greatest to the smallest, it is called the descending order of numbers. Like 9, 5, 3. Okay, this one greatest one, after then smallest one, after then smallest one. Okay, yes, all of you understood? Okay, so look at here, therefore one example, therefore the given number in ascending order are, look at here, this one is smallest one, after then smallest one, after then, after then, after then. Okay, so we are called ascending order. It means smallest to greatest, we are called ascending order. Okay, and the number arranged in descending order are, descending, it means greater to smallest. Okay, like 8098, after then 6085, 1348, 1205 and 787. Okay, so smallest to greatest we are called ascending, greatest to smallest we are called descending. Okay, so this is the order of the numbers. Okay, all of you understood? Okay, now we are coming to here, exercise number 1.6. it's very simple. Okay everyone, so look at here, circle the greater number in each pair. Okay, so here are two numbers. Okay, greater number पे हमको क्या करना है, circle. Okay, so look at here, 625, 737. Tell me the greatest one. This one. Okay, so circle it. B, 810, 925. Tell me the greatest one. This one. Okay. C, 736, 834. So tell me greatest one. This one. No, this one. Okay. Now 2988, 400841. So 4000 is greater. Okay, and here are 8070, 8007, 6697. So this one. Okay, okay. Now we are coming to here, circle the smaller number in each pair. Now student, this one greater number and this one smaller number. It's very simple. A, 381, 401. Tell me the smallest one. This one or this one? This one. Okay, circle it. B, 331, 384. Tell me the smallest number. This. Okay, tell me the smallest one. Okay, and compare the number. Tell me smallest one. This one. Okay. E, 9875, 8975. So smallest one, this one. Okay, okay. Now we are coming to here, question number 3. Put sign of like this, greater than, less than or equal in the box. Okay, so my dear student, here are boxes and numbers, one number, two number. So what we do now, we do that, compare the number. First one, compare the number. Okay, 3698, 8639. Okay, so compare the number. What we do now, we do that this one. Okay, why? Because 3698 is less than 8639. Okay, okay. Now we are coming to here. Tell me the greatest one. This one or this one? This one. Okay. So 5019 is greater than 1059. Okay. All of you understood? Okay. Now we are coming to here. This one 3806. 3806. So what we do? Equal. Okay. Okay. Now we are coming to here. It's very simple. 2013, 3102. So tell me the greatest one. Okay, like this. Yes. Now we are coming to here. 6891, 9861. So greatest one. Okay. And here like this. So all of you understood the compare the number. Okay. Now my dear student, we are coming to here. Circle the greatest and underline the smallest number in each of the following. Okay. So it's very simple. Look at here. Circle the greatest. It means जो greater number होगा उस पर हम क्या करेंगे? Circle. And smaller number पे underline. So the first one, greatest one, here are 7000, here are 5000, 100, 800. I think this one is greatest one. So circle the greatest one. Okay. After then 108. So tell me the smallest one. This one. Okay. So underline this one. All of you understood? Okay. Now we are coming to here B. Okay. It's very simple. The first one, greatest one, it means 1000. So circle it. Very simple. Smallest one. Tell me the smallest one. I think this one. Okay, underline it. Okay. Now we are coming to here. Tell me the greatest one. Here are 2000. Here are 3000. Here are 5000. So now 5000 is greatest one. Yes. And this one smallest one. So underline it. So my dear student, this one your work. Okay. This one your work. Okay everyone. इसको आप खुद से करेंगे. Greatest one circle it and smallest one what? Smallest one underline it. Okay. Okay. All of you understood? Okay. And now we are coming to here. Arrange each of the following in descending order. My dear student, do you know orders? Okay. So now we are coming to here descending order. What is the meaning of descending order? Descending order, it means greatest to smallest. Okay. So A. Look at here. The first one, here are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. So what we do? Now we do that greatest one. So look at here, 3000, 5000, 800, 4000. So 5000 is here greatest one. So putting here 5000 first one. After then 4000, 133. After then what? 3638. After then 845. Okay everyone, all of you understood? Okay. Now we are coming to here B. So tell me the greatest one. 2002, 2023, 2046, 2071. Hope 2071 is greatest one. After then 2046. After then 2023 and 2041. Okay, so all of you understood? Yes. Okay, now we are coming to here. Tell me the greatest one. Here are 700, 3000, 400 and 4000. My dear student, the 4523 is greatest one. After then 3445. After then 745 and 434. Okay, all of you understood? Descending order, greatest to smallest. Okay, so this one D is your practice question, so complete it in your book. Okay, here. So all of you understood descending order? Okay, now my dear student, we are coming to here. Arrange each of the following in ascending order. Okay everyone, this one descending, this one ascending. What is the meaning of ascending order? It means smallest to greatest. Okay, so here are 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now we are coming to here smallest one. यहाँ हमें सबसे पहले क्या देखना है, कौन सा नंबर स्मॉलेस्ट वन है. So I think this one. Okay, so look at here, 3, 3, 6. After then 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. After then 9000, 8000. So 8020. Yes. After then 9001. Okay, so smallest one, after then smallest one, after then smallest one, and this one greatest one. Okay, so all of you understood? Okay, now we are coming to here B. So tell me the smallest one. Tell me the smallest one. I think 5539. Okay, so look at here, 5539. After then 5561. After then 5571 and 5583. So all of you understood? 39, 61, 71, after then 83. All of you understood? Smallest to greatest. Okay, we are called ascending order. Okay, now we are coming to here 5467. Tell me the smallest one. Tell me the smallest one. Okay, so my dear student, here are 5000, here are 9, 8, 9. So first one 467. After then 800, 9, 7, 8. Okay, after then tell me this one or this one. Everyone tell me. So 9, 7, 6, 3. After then 9, 9, 8, 7. So all of you understood? Okay, and this one my dear student, your practice work in book. Okay, so all of you understood exercise number 1.6. Yes. Okay, so my dear student, this is only your book work, so complete it in book, practice it and learn it. Okay, thank you so much.